Good evening to one and all present here. Respected Chief Guest, Shri Kaleem Masood Khan Sir, Commandant of 54th Battalion, ITBP Bhalapur. Respected Guest of Honor, Shri Kime Rambia Sir, Range Forest Officer, Pake Tiger Reserve, Tippy. Our esteemed dignitaries, respected Chairman Sir, Shri Labi Dususo. And we are also fortunate to have with us our newly elected ZPMs, Shri Pema Jebiso, also the grandfather of our student, Kelly Jebiso. Dear teachers, parents, and my dear students, today is not just a celebration of achievement. It is a celebration of dream, determination, and togetherness. On this special annual function day, I feel deeply honored and proud to stand before you and share the journey and achievement of our school for the academic session 2025-2026. Every success we celebrate today carries a story of hard work by our student, tireless dedication by our teachers, and unconditional support from our management, endless faith and cooperation from our parents. This collective effort is the true strength of our school. I would like to first highlight the outstanding performance of our Class 5 students in the Arunachal Pradesh State Board Examination 2024-2025. In the entire West Cumming district, 4 of our top students have secured the place in the top 10. This remarkable achievement reflects not only academic excellence, but also discipline, dedication, and self-belief. Ms. Renaiza Dusasama secured 4th rank with 92.5%. Ms. Pragya Kumari secured 5th rank with 92.25%. Ms. Tusumrikan Sidiso secured 6th rank with 91.20%. And Master YZ Nazamju secured 7th rank with 91%. These young achievers have made us immensely proud, and also they have set up a shining example for their juniors. Not only that, our Class 10 students also made us proud in the CBSE Board Examination 2024-2025. Students like Master Nitish Chetri and Master Thomas Kiliju, they secured above 90%, a testimony to their dedication and the guidance of their teacher. In the Arunachal Pradesh State Board Examination 2024-2025, our students from Class 5, Class 8, and Class 9 consistently performed very well, with many scoring above 90 marks in several subjects. These results show that the excellence is becoming a habit in our school. But true education goes beyond textbooks and examination. I am proud to share that our students have also excelled in co-curricular and creative platforms, like in the district level science seminar 2025-2026, which was held at Bondila, Master Osika Lodigio from Class 10 has secured first position and earned a place at the state level, bringing honor to our school. We are not over yet, as our hostel students showed remarkable enthusiasm and discipline by participating in the Taekwondo training program. The first bell examination was conducted on 28 October 2025, where we witnessed every white belt student's progress towards yellow belt, which means a symbol of confidence, courage, growth. In the drawing competition organized by National Hydroelectric Power Corporation, Master Waisi Najangju of class 6 secured second position at the state level and was selected to represent our school at the national level in Delhi. Additionally, Ms. Ashika Kumari and Master Tadum Pasang Sonu of class 10, they also received consolation prizes at state level. At our school, we strongly believe that education must touch the mind, the heart, and the soul. Along with academics, we strive to instill strong values and ethics. Our students and teachers have actively participated in many social awareness programs and cleanliness drives conducted in and around Bhalapur. Learning the importance of empathy, responsibility, and respect for nature. We do not aim to create a successful student, but a kind and responsible human being. Dear parents, those of you who have been with us from the beginning knows that our school started its journey with a very small building, often too small for our dreams. Yet, with God's grace and your unwavering trust, those small beginnings have grown into a strong foundation. To support our growing needs, a new generator was installed on 29 July 2025 to ensure uninterrupted electric supply to our school and to our hostel. Additional CCTV cameras were also installed to further strengthen the safety and security of our children. As we say, their well-being is our highest priority. As we look to the future, our hearts are also full of hope. With God's blessing and your continued support, we aspire to complete our school auditorium by next year and creating a space where talent, creativity, and confidence can shine even brighter. Dear students, remember, every achievement celebrated today began as a dream. And believe in yourself, work hard, and never stop learning. Dear teachers, your dedication shapes generation. And our dear parents, your trust is our greatest strength. In conclusion, I express my heartfelt gratitude towards our management and towards our parents, because you have stood by us through every challenges and every success. You are truly the backbone of our school. Together, let us continue to enjoy this beautiful journey of learning, growth, and excellence. Thank you and wish you all a memorable and joyful annual function.